In problem number 6, we see a word problem where we have Raina's house is 12 blocks due west of the school, Shaquille's house is 9 blocks due north of the school, and Shaquille walks to Raina's house every morning and then they walk to school together. So if I take a look at my diagram down here, I can see that there's no numbers involved. So let's actually reread what that means. Raina's house is 12 blocks due west of the school. So Raina's house is 12 blocks west of the school. Shaquille's house is 9 blocks north of the school. So 9 blocks north of the school. So this side is 9. Now the question that they're asking is, what is the shortest distance Shaquille could walk on his way to school when he walks with Raina? So if we take a look here, Shaquille, when he goes to school with Raina, first he's going to walk this entire route right here to Raina's house. And then the two of them are going to walk along this line to get to school. So I know that whatever my answer is, this 12 is going to be involved. The problem is that we don't know what this side right here is. Well, that's the hypotenuse side. I know that there's no angle involved here because it doesn't mention anything about a degree. So that means I know two sides and I want a third, so I know that I can use the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared is going to equal c squared. And I know that c has to be the hypotenuse. Well, since I don't know the hypotenuse, this is just going to be x squared. Taking a look here, I can see that a can be 9 squared plus 12 squared. And now taking a look at that, I can see, okay, well 9 squared is 81, 12 squared is 144, and that is still just going to be equal to x squared. Now adding those two numbers together, 81 plus 144, I can see that that gives us 225. So writing down the 225 right here and knowing that that's equal to x squared, in order to undo the square right here, I'm going to just do a very quick square root operation on both sides of the equation. And I know that the square root of 225 is actually going to be 15. So x is equal to 15. Coming back over here to the diagram, that means that I can now say that instead of this being just x, that it's really just 15. So now, tracing the path that Shaquille walks with Raina, I can see that he starts at his house, walks 15 units, plus another 12 units,